Guys, it's just started raining, much needed rain, but I wanted to show you these beautiful late summer jewels. These blackberries are growing by the side of our tumble down shed. Hoping you can see all the massive fruits. This blackberry bush, it's rubus, it's been really busy, and these fruits are safe to eat. They are sweet and juicy, like I remember them when I used to go along the railway sidings with my dog Jason in childhood. Fill the bowl, fill my pockets, fill my mouth with sweet, juicy blackberries. Important fruits for the birds. This will help them survive the autumn and the winter. Thank you, Mother Gaia.